Oh no!
Hello, I hope you all are having a lovely day. It is good to see you back, but if you're someone new, hi, I'm Sagarika Yadav and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and vlogs, but there is so much more. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and you hit the bell icon so you will be notified next time I upload any video and you don't miss out on them. As we all know, today natural makeup look and no makeup look, chic makeup look, office going makeup look, all these makeup looks are very trendy and people are opting for it even in their wedding also. ऐसे looks आप भी achieve कर सकते हो if you have the right products. Hence, today we are going to talk about some of the best nude lipsticks that are available in the market. And the best part of this video is, जो भी मैं lipsticks बताने वाली हूँ, most of them are first good quality, second they are under 300, I mean under 500 तो definitely, but most of them are under 300. ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल होने वाला है. I'll provide the links to all these lipsticks in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. And if you like my makeup look, so the tutorial on this look is there on my Instagram, so make sure you check them out and I'll provide the link to that in the description box below as well. Okay, so enough about the intro, let's quickly jump to the video. So I have a bunch of nude lipsticks for you and ये ऐसे shades हैं that no matter whatever the color of your skin complexion is, इसमें से एक ना एक lipstick आपको ऐसा मिल ही जाएगा which will suit you and that lipstick will be your BFF for years.
एंड ये वीडियो में मैं आपको दोनों ही टाइप के लिपस्टिक्स बताऊंगी. फर्स्ट इज ट्रांसफरेबल, जो ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं एज यू कैन सी, एंड ट्रांसफर प्रूफ लिपस्टिक्स विच आर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. So starting off with Maybelline New York Creamy Matte Lipsticks, which retails only for $2.99, and this is such a good quality product and very affordable. This is how the packaging looks like. The shade is Touch of Spice and this is such a pretty pink nude shade. It looks really flattering on your lips. It makes your lips look fuller. This is a very beautiful subtle pink shade and this looks so good. And this lipstick reminds me of my college time because I have been using it from past 3 to 4 years. So this is a perfect pink nude shade to have in your collection. Then we have Nykaa Creme Creamy Matte Lipstick, which also retails only for $2.99, and this is such a beautiful nude shade. This is how the packaging looks like. The shade is Wakeup Makeup. And this lipstick is definitely a very beautiful nude shade to have in your collection. ये lipstick मुझे काफ़ी models का वो off duty look and no makeup look वाला vibe देता है. The formula is really nice and very creamy and hydrating on your lips. And if you wanna have that perfect nude lipstick in your collection, then this lipstick is definitely the one. Then we have this another shade also by Nykaa from the same collection. And this shade is OMG. I love this shade. This is how the packaging looks like, very similar. The shade is Let It Snooze. यार ये shade इतना beautiful लगता है, like it really complements your entire makeup. And this shade is definitely one of the best sellers by Nykaa in this range. And no matter if you're a young skin or a mature skin, ये lipstick आपको definitely suit करेगा and it looks really beautiful on the lips. And if you're a fan of brown lipsticks and such nude shades, then you should definitely invest in this one. Then we have this another lipstick also by Nykaa from the same collection, and Nykaa lipsticks are definitely giving a tough competition to the Maybelline ones. This is how the packaging looks like. The shade is Game On and this is such a pretty nude shade. I mean, this lipstick might look similar to the Maybelline's Touch of Spice, but this shade is definitely more on the subtle side and Touch of Spice थोड़ा ज़्यादा bright है compared to this shade. And this lipstick is definitely one of my favorite. It looks so bomb. This is one of the lipstick that I'll keep on repurchasing, and this lipstick definitely gives that cute, pretty kind of vibe. Definitely this is a must have in your collection. So this another beautiful shade is from Lakme, and this color looks bomb. This is from the range Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color, and the shade is Nude Twist. The tip is really narrow, so you can easily outline your lips, and all the mature skin watching this video, mummies, aunties, ये lipstick आपका favorite हो जाएगा. So you should definitely have this one in your collection. The actual price is 295, but ये आपको 250 rupees में मिल जाएगा आराम से on Nykaa. This lipstick is transfer proof. Give it a few seconds after applying. You know, on sarees, dresses, traditional wear पे तो ये lipstick बहुत pretty लगता है. Trust me. So this one is definitely a must-have in your collection. Another beautiful lipstick from Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is how the packaging looks like. The shade is Touch of Spice. This is the liquid lipstick version of it. Unlike Lakme lipstick, the tip is a little broad. It helps you filling in very easily. Doesn't matter if you wear western or traditional, this lipstick will go with both of them. And if you're looking for a nude lipstick which also looks very impactful and bright, then this lipstick is definitely the one for you. Lipstick is also transfer proof, so hence it is long lasting. And even though this lipstick retails for 345, आपको ये 250, 290 में आराम से मिल जाएगा. ये इतना pretty shade है and it really complements your skin complexion. Definitely a must have in your collection. And lastly, we have this another perfect nude lipstick from Maybelline's Creamy Matte collection, which also retails for 299 only. This is how the packaging looks like. The shade is Nude Nuance, and this shade is definitely Maybelline's one of the best selling lipstick shades. This shade has that perfect balance of bright and subtle look, and I've done so many looks using this lipstick. It looks really pretty, and again, if you're looking for a perfect nude shade in your collection, then this lipstick is definitely the one for you.
And most of these lipsticks are under 300 rupees. मतलब आपको 250 rupees में एक मस्त सा nude lipstick मिल जाएगा, which will suit your skin and enhance your no makeup look. Okay, so I hope you liked this video and found it helpful, and आपको definitely कोई ना कोई shade पसंद आया होगा. The link to all the lipsticks will be in the description box below. आप वहाँ से जाके purchase कर सकते हो. And you should definitely invest in this nude lipsticks to give your no makeup look a whole new level. And definitely comment down below your feedback. I love to read them and what you think about this video, and your ideas and suggestions for my next YouTube video. So if you like this video, please click on that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you will be notified next time I upload any video and you don't miss out on them. Please show your love and encouragement, because that really motivates me to make more such videos which is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.